Given omega is the complex cube root of unity, then we need to find omega plus omega power 2, omega to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 9 by 32 and so on, 27 upon 128. Since omega is the complex cube root of unity, so we can write omega power 3 is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So let us consider this series. Let S is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 9 by 32 plus 27 upon 128 plus and so on. So we can also write as 3 power 0 upon 2 plus 3 power 1 upon 2 power 3, 3 power 2 upon 2 to the power 5, 3 power 3 upon 2 to the power 7 and so on. Or we can also write S is equal to 1 upon 2 taken common. So 3 power 0, that is 1 plus, and here we can write 3 by 2 square, and here we can write 3 by 2 to the power 4, 3 square by 2 power 4. Next 3 power 3 divided by 2 to the power 6 and so on up to infinity. So which is equal to 1 upon 2 times, and here we can identify that this is the geometric progression with the first term is equal to 1 and common ratio is equal to 3 by 2 square. So that is 3 by 4. So sum to infinity in GP is equal to 1a upon 1 minus r, and here r is less than 1. So we can write a upon, that is 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 upon 4 minus 3 is 1, which is equal to 2. So the given sum is 2. So therefore we can write omega plus omega to the power s, which is equal to omega plus omega to the power 2. Since we know that 1 plus omega square is 0, so omega plus omega square can be taken as negative 1. So minus 1 is the answer, which is our option A.